Welcome to Trader Tech Views. Today, I'm going to share how I used just $313 of capital to generate around $56 in profit in a short period of time using the NVDY Yield Max Nvidia Options Income Strategy ETF. Now, if you've been following Nvidia, you know it's been on a roll, consistently hitting higher highs and riding a strong upward trend. That's what drew me to use the NVDY Yield Max Nvidia Options Income Strategy ETF, because it offers attractive monthly dividends alongside potential option income. The dividend yield on this ETF is fantastic. With each share, you're looking at approximately $1.10 per stock in dividends. So, my plan was simple. If the ETF dips below $25, I'll get assigned 100 shares. That would give me roughly $110 in dividends for holding those shares. On top of that, I've already made money from put writing. As of now, I'm sitting on $56 in profit, with another potential $67 left to capture. The best part? If Nvidia keeps moving higher, I'll continue making income from the options premium. If Nvidia pulls back and I get assigned those shares at $25, no problem, I'll start writing covered calls at the $28 strike price to generate more income, no matter where the stock moves. I initiated this trade last week when the premium was $123. And so far, my unrealized P&L is $56. There's still about $67 left in value that I could capture. At this point, I could either close out the position, lock in the $56 profit, or hold on for a little longer to try and extract more from the remaining premium. The probability of profit is quite high, and I'm only using $313 in margin, which gives me an 18% return in under a week. That's the beauty of this strategy. If you're interested in learning more about how to make the most of options trades like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I regularly share these kinds of opportunities so you can maximize your gains in the market. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.